Alright, so here we are. We're getting ready to do a test here. So past few days, what I've been working on is getting the smoke system to work properly. Did away, let me get this to focus here. Did away entirely with the balloon. Turns out that there's plenty of pressure coming from this fan here. So basically the system is that the lights move around, and then I can press a button, and it will trigger an interrupt where the lights go into a little bit more of a high energy mode, which I'll show you, and then it turns on the smoke machine and fan for just a few seconds. Now, boy, I've had a lot of trouble with this joint here because it gets so intensely hot. Looks like it gets up to about 500 degrees right now, and I've been having some problems with fire shooting out of the top of this thing. I think that had to do with a little bit too high of pressure and high of wattage on this device, as right now I'm running it at 50 watts, and at 200, maybe I'll show you after we do this first test, it just shoots flames out. So all right, without further ado, so let's power everything up. Here's this is my battery bank. It's 20,000 milliamp, and that translates into about 74 watt hours. So everything's just wired into USB ends here. So I'm just gonna plug those in, and then there's a little button on the side here to activate it. So here we go. So it's on, and so it's just existing in its kind of low energy mode right now. Where it just makes a move about every 5 seconds. So say I'm at the party and it's time to demonstrate the costume. I would this button's going to be wired to the front of this panel, so I'd hit it, and so the lights start getting a little more active. And then just in a few seconds here, it should start the smoke, and there we go. Oh yeah. So I'm still trying to figure out a way to get a little bit better volume, but it's actually working. So I'll get in tight here. It'll trigger itself in another couple seconds. Okay, it's coming up. All right, this should be it now. Come on. There we go. So you see that little switch pushes on the button and blows the smoke up. So now why don't we I'll just demonstrate what happens when we've got too high of power. I don't think it's really damaging anything, but still. So this isn't even up fully. Let me reset the computer. Okay. So here it's back in the high energy mode, and probably gonna have to like pull this off so it doesn't catch everything on fire. But and jet engine. Oh fuck. Yeah. So we got to keep this one low power, unfortunately, until I can figure something else out. May just be I can't figure it out right now. So for now, we'll just stick to a low power mode and leave it at that. But so eventually, once I feel comfortable with everything, this piece of plexi will come in front, and I may have some decals or stuff on here to kind of make it look a little bit more exciting. But all right, well that's it for now. And if anybody has any ideas, oh, there it goes again. Anybody has any ideas about why I'm getting that flame up, please let me know. All right, take care.